How to fix Snapchat C14A error problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Snapchat server status and tap on the link provided there. Further, make sure the Snapchat server is not down. Next, go ahead and open Snapchat and then swipe up on the app and then swipe away Snapchat along with all the apps running in the background and then reopen Snapchat and see if that fixes your issue. If not, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and disable VPN if you are using any type of VPN services. Next, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. So, in settings again, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then switch to mobile data. Next, open the Snapchat application on your device and tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the Privacy Controls tab, tap on the Clear Data option and then on Clear Cache and then on Clear. Now, Snapchat will restart and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, check for Snapchat update. So, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Snapchat. Make sure app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly, and if the issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and delete Snapchat from your phone and then restart your iPhone and then go ahead and reinstall Snapchat from the App Store and your issue should have been fixed by now. So this is how you can fix Snapchat C14A error problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.